Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and today we are looking at a yard drainage that we're going to be doing, but also a channel drain in a driveway. So that's how we're going to fix this moisture problem. But anyways, we're looking at probably putting a channel drain right in front of this garage here, and then taking this, and this is looks like an attempt at a French drain that was done, but it's not done properly. And if you can have an open trench drain, that is a lot better, allows for a lot more air, water flow into that at a much faster rate. But what we'll do is remove this, put in our contained drain system, leave it open on the top, and take that and pitch it all the way down into the stormwater management ditch, and then that'll take it across here and exit all the water out properly. So if you have drainage issues in your yard or driveway, give HydroHero a call, 302-321-7077, or find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Thanks so much for watching.